Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful origami flower. First, you'll need 2 multicolored papers, a scissor, and a glue. First, make a stick with an alternate paper. Then fold the other paper and start cutting it with a scissor as shown in the video. Then attach the both sides of the paper with glue. After finishing, add glue on the stick. Then start wrapping them as shown in the video. Cut a paper of that same color and add it on the other half of the stick, just as you did with the first paper. After you're done, let the glue dry and then start showing it off to your friends. Leave a comment if you like it and subscribe to my channel for other amazing videos like this. Thank you.